Hi, I'm Matt Falk, author of The Community Capital Revolution. I wrote this book because we are entering one of the biggest transformations of our lifetime, the AI revolution. AI is changing how we work, learn, compete, and create opportunity. But I believe the most important question is not what can AI do? It is how can we use AI to make people, organizations, and communities stronger? Over the years, I kept seeing the same problem. There are incredible people, knowledge, relationships, and opportunities everywhere, but they are disconnected. They live in silos. People who should know each other never meet. Knowledge never reaches the right person. And organizations keep spending more money trying to attract new people while overlooking the value already around them. That leads to what I call the other ARR. Most business leaders hear ARR and think annual recurring revenue. But before you can sustain that ARR, you have to solve attention, retention, referral. Everyone is fighting for attention, but attention alone is not enough. Retention requires relationships, referral requires trust, and this is where AI has limits. AI can generate content. AI can analyze data. AI can recommend who we should meet. AI can surface opportunities. But AI cannot replace the human work of building genuine trust, relationships, and community. AI can make the introduction. People build the relationship. AI can surface the opportunity. Trust determines whether people act on it. That insight led me to the central idea behind this book. Some of our greatest assets never appear on a balance sheet. They exist in our people, trust, knowledge, relationships, community, opportunities. I call this community capital. Community capital is the value created when these assets are intentionally connected, strengthened, and compounded over time. And when that happens, attention becomes engagement. Engagement builds relationships. Relationships build trust. Trust strengthens retention. Retention creates advocacy. Advocacy generates referrals. That is how community capital compounds. And that is where AI becomes incredibly powerful, not as a replacement for people, but as a superpower for people. AI can help us discover the right customers, partners, mentors, supporters, knowledge, and opportunities. It can put powerful capabilities into the hands of small businesses, nonprofits, entrepreneurs, educators, community leaders, and everyday people. That is the AI revolution I want to see. Not AI replacing humanity. AI empowering humanity, and that is why the Community Capital Revolution is more than a book. The book is the starting point for a new category of growth in the AI era, and a movement to help people and organizations become stronger together. Because the organizations that win in the future will not simply be the ones with the best AI. They will be the ones that combine AI with the strongest trust, relationships, knowledge, and community. And there is a practical business outcome. Solve attention, retention, and referral. And you create the conditions for stronger annual recurring revenue, stronger participation, and stronger impact. Community capital can help turn one ARR into the other. So I'm not simply inviting you to read a book. I'm inviting you to rethink how growth happens, to break down silos, build trust, strengthen relationships, create opportunity. And use AI not to replace what makes us human, but to amplify it. From silos to ecosystems, from transactions to trusted relationships, from buying attention to building community, from AI replacing people to AI empowering everyone. This is more than a book. It is a movement to make sure the AI revolution empowers all of us. Welcome to the Community Capital Revolution. Technology can scale intelligence, but only people can build trust. And trust is what turns a network into a community. The revolution begins with all of us.